see in this video algorithm and flowchart with program increment, decrement and operator.
Hello guys, welcome back. Myself Yash Hande. Today we are going to see about increment operator and decrement operators. First, increment operator. Increment operator increases the value of variable by 1. Decrement operator. Decrement operator decreases the value of variable by 1. There are two types of each, increment operator and decrement operator. First, prefix increment operator, that is pre-increment operator. When we use this operator, the value of a variable first increases by 1 and then the variable is used inside the expression. Syntax of pre-increment operator is plus a. Then postfix increment operator, that is post-increment operator. When we use this operator, the variable is used inside the expression with its original value and then its value is increased by 1. The syntax of postfix increment operator is a++. Then prefix decrement operator. When we use this operator, the value of a variable first decreases by 1 and then the variable is used inside the expression. Syntax of pre-decrement operator is -a. Then postfix decrement operator, that is post-decrement operator. When we use this operator, the variable is used inside the expression with its original value and then its value is decreased by 1. The syntax of postfix decrement operator is a --. Let's see algorithm of C program of increment and decrement operator. Here step 1 is start. Step 2, first declare integer variables a1, a2, a3, a4, b1, b2, b3 and b4. Then step 3, enter the value of a1, a2, a3 and a4 as an input. Step 4, here we have to perform the calculations of pre and post increment, that is b1 is equal to plus a1 and b2 is equal to a2 . Here plus a1 is pre-increment and a2 is post-increment. Then display pre and post-increment is step 5. Step 6, perform the calculation of pre and post-decrement. b3 is equal to -a3 and b4 is equal to a4 -. Here -a3 is pre-decrement and a4 is post decrement. Then step 7, display pre and post decrement, and step 8, stop. Already we have discussed about the previous topic algorithm. So now let's see the flowchart created based on the algorithm that we have already seen. Here first step is start. It is written in the terminal box. Then declare variable a1, a2, a3, a4, b1, b2, b3 and b4. This is a declaration, so it is written in the processing box. Then enter the value of a1, a2, a3 and a4. This values is taken through the keyboard, so it is input, hence it is written in the input box. Then here we perform a calculation pre and post increment, so it is written in the processing box. Then display pre and post increment, it is the output, so it is written in the output box. Then b3 is equal to -a3 and b4 is equal to a4 that is perform a calculations of pre and post decrement, hence it is written in the processing box. Then display pre and post decrement, it is the output, so written in the output box. And then stop, this is written in the terminal box. Now with the help of flowchart and algorithm, we have write a C program of increment operator and decrement operator. First we have declared the header files, that is #include stdio.h and #include conio.h. Then void main is the main function. Then our main body of program start with a opening curly bracket. Here our data type is integer, so we write here int and declare a variable a1, a2, a3, a4, b1, b2, b3 and b4. Here we use clrscr to obtain clear screen on output. Then printf enter the value of a1, scanf, that is scanf %d ampersand of a1, that is to take a value of a1 through the keyboard. Then same like that, enter the value of a2, a3 and a4. Then printf give the title increment operator. Then here we use syntax of pre-increment operator, that is plus plus a1, that means pre-increment of a1 is stored in b1 and then print b1. Printf /n is used for new line. Pre-increment of a1 is equal to %d, b1. Then similarly we use syntax of post increment operator, that is a2 plus plus, that means post increment of a2 is stored in b2 and then print b2. Same like increment, here we give the title decrement operator. Then we use syntax of pre-decrement operator is -a3, that means pre-decrement of -a3, pre-decrement of a3 is stored in b3 and then print b3. Then here we use syntax of post decrement operator, that is a4 that means post decrement of a4 is stored in b4 and then print b4. Then at the end of our program get ch and with end our body with closing curly bracket. Here our program is over. Let's run it to see output. First compile it. 0 error. Enter the value of a1 10. Enter the value of a2 15. Enter the value of a3 20. Enter the value of a4 25. So our result is pre-increment of a1 is 11, that is our original value of a1 is 10. In pre-increment the variable is increased by 1 and the post increment of a2 is 15, that is the value of a2 is 15, as it is post increment of a2 is 15 because in post increment first print its original value and then use in expression. So then the original value of a3 is 20 and pre-decrement value of a3 is 19. In pre-decrement the value is decreased by 1. So here the value is decreased by 1. Then the value of a4 is 25 and the post decrement of a4 is 25, same as it is its original value. In post decrement the value is firstly print and then it is decreased by 1. So here original value is print. So our program is successfully run. I hope you will understand this program. Thank you for watching.